Hey everyone, welcome back to Powerful Stoic Habits. Ever wondered how to become so unforgettable that you're the first thought when they wake up and the last one before they sleep? Today we're uncovering 10 Stoic principles to make your presence so impactful that your absence is deeply felt. As Seneca put it, absence sharpens love, presence strengthens it, ready to turn your presence into a powerful memory. Drop a comment with "on their mind" tomorrow to join the fun. Let's dive into these Stoic strategies to make them miss you like never before. Number 1. Self-sufficiency. You might be wondering how being self-sufficient can make someone miss you more. The key is showing that you are complete on your own, which is incredibly attractive and intriguing in any relationship. When you're self-sufficient, you're not clinging or desperately seeking attention. Instead, you're out there living your best life, engaged in your interests and fulfilling your own needs. This independence sparks curiosity and admiration. Your partner starts to see you not just as a companion, but as an individual thriving on your own terms. When you're not always available, you create a healthy space in the relationship, making them miss the vibrant, self-reliant you. So embrace your self-sufficiency. It's not about pushing them away, but about pulling them into a deeper, more respectful admiration. Number 2. Emotional control. You might think controlling your emotions is just about handling yourself better, but it's more. Mastering your emotions is like holding the reins of a powerful horse. It guides the energy of your relationships in the direction you want. Imagine interacting with calm and composure, even when conversations get heated. This level of emotional control creates an aura of mystery and depth. When you manage your reactions and stay serene, it makes them curious about your inner world, and they start to miss the warmth of your deliberate affection when you're not around. So stay cool and thoughtful, leaving them with something to think about. A hint of mystery goes a long way in the game of love. Number 3. Intentional communication. Ever wondered how just a few well-chosen words can make someone crave your presence even more? Intentional communication is your secret weapon here. It means speaking with purpose and depth, making every word count. Seneca said, "Speak so you can speak again." This principle is about leaving them wanting more of your insights, humor, and thoughtful expressions. Each time you speak, do so with the intent to connect and enrich the conversation. This makes your interactions memorable and meaningful, and when you're not around, your words linger in their mind, pulling them closer. Harness the power of intentional communication and let your words weave a magic that keeps you on their mind. Number 4. Acceptance of absence. Here's a twist: embracing the times you're apart can actually pull you closer together. Acceptance of absence magnifies their longing and deepens your connection. Absence builds anticipation and appreciation. By valuing the times you're apart, you demonstrate that true connection isn't about constant proximity, but about the quality of your emotional bond. Instead of bombarding them with messages when you're apart, allow some breathing room. Let the silence spark curiosity and mystery. This approach makes you the highlight of their day, not just another predictable part. Embrace the moments apart and let them build a deeper yearning. When you reunite, the joy and appreciation for each other will be palpable. Number 5. Mindfulness in interaction. How can being fully present make them miss you more? It's about making every moment count so vividly that your absence is deeply felt. Being mindful means engaging fully in every interaction, listening intently, and responding thoughtfully. Marcus Aurelius advised, "Do every act of your life as if it were your last." By treating each conversation as the most important one, you make your time together special and memorable. This depth of engagement leaves a lasting impression, making your absence noticeable. When you're fully present, you leave traces of your spirit, ensuring you're always on their mind. Make mindfulness your secret ingredient in the recipe of making them miss you. Number 6. Consistency in communication. How can maintaining a steady communication pattern make someone miss you more? It's about creating a comforting rhythm in your interactions. Consistency doesn't mean bombarding them with messages, but establishing a pattern of meaningful exchanges. Whether it's a good morning text or a nightly recap, these regular touch points become a cherished part of their day. Seneca said, "Regularity is a sign of wisdom in communication. This regularity reassures them that you're dependable and invested. When you suddenly skip these interactions, your absence becomes noticeable, creating a space they eagerly want to fill. Consistency in communication weaves you into the fabric of their daily routine, making them miss you in the little silences your absence creates." Number 7. Purposeful living. How does having a purposeful life make someone miss you more? It's about being driven, passionate, and engaged in meaningful activities. When you live with purpose, you're not just waiting around, you're out there, making a difference. Having clear goals makes you more dynamic and compelling. Share your projects, volunteer work, or creative pursuits, and let your enthusiasm shine. This contagious energy leaves a strong impression, making them miss the inspiration and excitement you bring. By leading a purposeful life, you become someone who is always growing and evolving, making every interaction fresh and fulfilling. Number 8. Moderation in emotions. How does keeping your emotions in check make someone miss you more? It's about creating a balanced dynamic where your emotional expressions are thoughtful and measured. Practicing moderation avoids overwhelming your partner with intense reactions. As Marcus Aurelius noted, the best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. Responding with calm and deliberate action shows emotional maturity. This balanced approach leaves room for anticipation and desire. When you handle disagreements with composure and express affection without suffocating, it enhances the quality of your interactions. This stability is attractive and builds respect, ensuring you remain on their mind as someone who brings peace, not chaos. Number 9. Resilience in adversity. How does showing resilience make someone miss you more? It's about demonstrating strength and grace in the face of challenges. Resilience means facing difficulties head-on without falling apart. Seneca said, "A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials." When you handle adversity with calm and determination, it earns you respect and admiration. Your partner sees you as a pillar of strength, inspiring confidence and assurance. Resilience shows you can rise above obstacles, making them miss not just your presence but the positivity and hope you bring. By showcasing your strength, you become an irreplaceable part of their life. Number 10. Consistency in character. How does being consistent in who you are make someone miss you more? It's about being a reliable and predictable force in their life while maintaining enough mystery to remain intriguing. Consistency in character means you're the same person yesterday, today, and tomorrow, building deep trust and security. As Epictetus said, "First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do." This reliability creates a comforting presence. When you're consistent yet maintain an element of mystery, you become someone they deeply miss when you're not around. Consistency in character ensures that your absence is felt more acutely because you've become an integral part of their life. And that's it for today. We've covered 10 powerful Stoic strategies to make yourself profoundly unforgettable. Remember, these principles are about creating a dynamic where your presence and absence both have a lasting impact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot and helps us keep creating content that resonates with you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.